It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. So today I am participating in my monthly Trash to Treasure collaboration with my girl Philicia over at BOK Media Life, as well as BOK Media Food Freaks. So guys, I'll let you know a little bit more about Philicia after we get into this first DIY. So I've already prepped these cans off camera, and what I decided to do for my Trash to Treasures was to take some of these jars and cans that I've been collecting and just turn them into planters. And I wanted to do something that was different from what you would normally see as far as color choices and stuff like that on my channel. And I really think that these sets of planters, and it is 3 of them with 3 different colors, turned out super cute. This gives you a little bit of shabby chic, rustic, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. As you can see, they've already been painted. I have these larger tumbling tower blocks that you can find at 5 and Below, and I am just positioning them all the way around, as you can see, to give the illusion of planter stands. And again, as you can see, by adding that beautiful lace that you can find at the Dollar Tree, it kind of gives this piece a shabby chic look. Now, all I'm going to do is use some of the greenery from Dollar Tree as well as Walmart. So let's talk about my girl Philicia, also known as the Lamp Queen and my crafting bestie. So Philicia has a channel on YouTube called BOK Media Life, where Philicia brings you high-end decor such as lamps, planters, trash to treasure, and beautiful wall art. She also has a second channel, BOK Media Food Freaks, where she brings you food, libations, and lit lives. You gotta check her out if you haven't already. And now let's get into DIY number 2. So here are some jars, right? So I'm taking these floral lays that I got from the Dollar Tree just yesterday. And as I'm walking around inside of Dollar Tree, I had all these kind of ideas that was coming into my head. And you know, here on my channel, if it's in my head, I got to do what? Get it out. So what I decided to do was take these lays apart, and I just basically covered this piece with the floral pieces from the lay. And don't ask me why. It came to me and I said, that might be cute. And I was going to see this project to the end. And I enjoyed doing it so much because it is something different for me when I'm crafting. But I enjoyed it so much that I created 3 different versions of this project using just that one lay. Now, you don't have to do this. Keep in mind, and I say this all the time on my channel, what we as crafters do is basically just bring you inspiration. And so what you do is take what we've done and then you enhance it to fit your style. Now, this isn't my style. This is just something that came to me and I said I'm going to execute it. And I think at the end of all of this, it turned out super cute and fun. As I stated in the beginning, these are going to be fun summary projects that you can create on a budget using your trash. That's right. Don't throw those jars away. Don't throw those cans away. Wash those things out with some soapy water and then just put them up somewhere so you can use them again. Because why spend money on jars when you can go and just use one out of your cabinet when you're done? So guys, really want to welcome everybody back to the channel, my new and returning subscribers. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And in addition, guys, please, please, please make sure you head over to my girl Felicia's channels, both BOK Media Life as well as BOK Media Food Freaks, and subscribe if you have yet to do so. I can promise you, you will not be disappointed. And keep in mind that this video is part of my monthly collaboration with my girl Philicia, and I know, because I've already had a sneak peek of what she's going to be bringing to the channel. And trust me, it's going to be high end, and it is going to, wow you. She's so talented. She's so creative. She's such a great support to me and to others. And she's funny. You will love her personality. And again, if you have yet to subscribe to her channel, head on over and click that little subscribe button and tell her crafting bestie Joy said, "What's up?" Now, I could have did all this in her intro, but hey, I'm just showing you how I'm putting these flowers on a jar. So I'm just, killing a little time with a little convo, right? Because that's what I'm going to do over here. As many chances I get to, kind of support those individuals that's in my life, I'm going to do that support me. And so as you can see, I have taken some of these purple floor picks from the Dollar Tree. Yes, I picked those up yesterday as well. And I'm going to style each one of the jars in these florals. So I'm going to be quiet for a minute and just let you watch me put the other two together. But again, don't forget, this video is part of my monthly Trash to Treasure collaboration with my girl Philicia over at BOK Media Life. Now, as you can see right here in this particular design, I am adding some of those fairy lights from the Dollar Tree. So let's get into DIY number 3. So this is a very easy, simple DIY. All you're doing is taking some jute rope and you are just going to wrap the entire jar in jute rope. And one thing about Joy, Joy loves jute. So just watch as I bring this full circle. So as you can see, there's been a color change with the rope. I decided to add some nautical rope, the white nautical rope that you can purchase at the Dollar Tree, to the top of this piece, and then just give it a little boho vibe with the dangles or the string hanging on the front of it. And now, as you know, Joy likes to burn her jute rope because she wants the frays off of it. That's one thing about me. If you are new to my channel, I do not like the frays on the jute rope, so I burn it to give it a crisper and better look. And now I'm taking these eucalyptus picks that I purchased from Walmart, which has gone up to $2.48, by the way, and just adding them to my planter. And so what I was doing here was just kind of breaking apart some of the rope so that it gives it a more fringy type look. And I really like the way all of these projects turned out, guys, and we are now at the reveal. Here is DIY number 1. I love these colors. I think this turned out super cute. You guys got to let me know what you think about this. And then here is DIY number 2 with the 3 different versions. And lastly, DIY number 3, very simple, yet it's really cute. So I've given you 3 different types of planter choices for you to try, and you got to let me know if this is something you would even consider. Now, I think they all turned out super cute, and I'm not just saying it because I did it. I really like how the ones with the lay flowers turned out, because this is something that I came up with last minute, and I think it turned out super cute. And you know how I like to say, it's cute. And I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Make sure you head over to my girl's channel, Philicia, over at BOK Media Life, and show her some love. And until the next DIY, guys, bye for now.